Let's go on to a game called Sound Effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin, what's your name?
Tina.
Kevin and Tina. Are you boyfriend and girlfriend, or husband and wife, brother and sister?
Boyfriend, girlfriend.
Boyfriend, come on down here, Kevin and Tina. Stand right over here.
Hi, how are you?
Stand right over here, right on these two spots right here.
Kevin gets a free pass on Survivor, apparently.
Yeah. Can't vote him out this week. Kevin and Tina, we're doing a game called Sound Effects, and what happens is Ryan and Colin are going to do a scene for us, and when they prompt you to, you're going to do sound effects for them. Tina, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin, and Kevin, you're going to do the sound effects for Ryan. The scene is, Ryan and Colin, you're two Jedi Knights, and you're checking out your spaceship and equipment before going into battle to attack the Death Star. So take it away over, Kevin and Tina, do the sound effects for them.
Good luck to you, my friend.
Good luck to you.
You done?
Yes, it's on.
Apparently we have a message coming in.
Apparently it's on. The mission is on.
It's on.
We're going to have to attack the Death Star. Why don't we check out our equipment?
Right. Test out your sabers, make sure they're working. Turn them on. Mine went off a little early. Cut off my leg.
It's all right.
I've cut off my leg.
Here, I'll use my Jedi powers.
Thank you, my friend.
I'm going to try mine.
Boom.
It's such a happy saber.
Look, we haven't got time for that. Into the ship. Hang on, there's going to be some force behind this takeoff.
Hey, should we try out all these little buttons?
Are you out of your mind?
I want to try the little buttons.
All right, hurry up.
Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop.
All the boops are fine.
All right. Hang on. Are you ready, my friend?
I'm ready, my friend.
3, 2, 1.
We lost the back end.
Keep an eye out.
Asteroid.
I beg your pardon.
Sorry, no, asteroid.
Get ready, we're going to have to blow it up, see what's behind it.
All right. You're out of ammo.
What?
You're out of ammo.
How can you be out of ammo on a laser-guided ship?
I don't know the science. I'm going to use this big gun.
This what?
This big gun.
All right.
Luckily, I put the silencer on.
Well, take it off. We haven't got much time.
All right. Shield your ears, because this is going to be really loud.
Kaboom!
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Wonderful sound effect.
Kaboom! Hey, we have a new nickname for Tina.